I think your guests are just going to have a hard time leaving your house. Welcome back, my friend. I know you must be here because you love vegan recipes and tips and tricks to make you a master food artist. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Darlene Loves, and I have been teaching for years people how to make delicious, healthy meals that wow your taste buds and those you love. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you'll be notified. Now, we're making 4 meals over the next 4 weeks, a full course gourmet meal that you could serve to your friends and family. And I'm giving you it a little bit at a time so that you can practice. Now, remember, these are tips and tricks throughout the video, so you want to make sure you stay until the end of this amazing vegan pesto with a twist. It's not your average pesto, it's extraordinary pesto with a little bit of cilantro and parsley and spinach rather than basil. What a twist, and made with sunflower seeds and not your typical pine nuts. You can prepare a lot of these dishes. You can keep them raw or you can heat them up as you choose. So before we get started, let me put on my apron and then just give you a little tip here. Go ahead and soak your pumpkin seeds because that will allow them to sprout a little bit and make them more digestible for your stomach. So it's easy on the stomach. And we're blending this up with a food processor. I love using food processors and it's going to make it quick and easy. Let's get started. Add 1 cup of soaked pumpkin seeds, a couple of garlic cloves, a half of a lemon juiced, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then 1/4 cup each of cilantro and parsley, and 1.5 cups of spinach into the food processor, and then 1/4 cup of water to blend. And then blend it all up until mixed in. Then you can add some hot pepper. And if you want it creamy, I added a really tiny avocado, or you can do 1/2 of an avocado, and then blend again until smooth. Then what you're going to do is stuff some small mushrooms or mini baby bell peppers, and you can bake for 5 to 10 minutes. And remember, this is just the appetizer. We still have several recipes to go, including a dessert at the end. One thing I want to share with you, head on over to themasterfoodartist.com and be sure to get those free smoothie recipes that will come directly into your inbox. And they will start your morning off with something so delicious and yet so nutritious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please give it a like, and of course keep liking these videos because I want to bring out the best in you and your food so you can make delicious, amazing recipes that wow, and you can be a master food artist in the kitchen. Until next time, remember, I loves you, my friend.